Hey everyone, and happy 4th of July. I'm here to bring you today's firework flow for this holiday season so you can practice at home with me or practice maybe in a local studio or away if you're on vacation. So let's go ahead and lay on our mats and get started on this 4th, celebrating red, white, and blue. I'm gonna come all the way up to standing. So just allow your feet to ground down, your palms to open up to your sides, and gently close your eyes. Roll your shoulders up and back and find your breath slowly. As we close our eyes and stand here together, find a moment to just breathe. Find a moment to notice how you feel and how your body's responding today. Whether or not you're actually practicing with me on the 4th or a different day, allowing yourself to take in all aspects of where we are in summer, where you are with your body, your mood, and anything else you have going on. I want you to take a big inhale, bring your arms up into the sky. Good, exhale your arms down by your sides. And then again, inhale your arms up into the sky. And then exhale them down by your sides. We're gonna take a big side stretch to one side, so slide your hand down, reach up and over, big side stretch. And then come back through center, inhale your arms up, and then second side. Inhale, bring both of your arms up. Exhale into a forward fold as you breathe out. Good, lift and lengthen halfway up through your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Bone by bone, rise all the way up again. Inhale, reach your arms up high. Good, exhale, we're gonna start in a wide stance on our mat. So go ahead and separate your feet nice and wide so you can be rotated on your mat or not. It's totally up to you. And you're gonna place your hands at your low back and lift your chest up. And then exhale with wide legs, fold forward and sway from side to side. So just find your movement left to right. Go ahead and walk your hands all the way over to a right, taking a gentle little twist through the outsides of your hips, drop your head down. And then we're gonna exhale, come through center all the way to the second side, find that gentle little twist, head is down. Good, come back to center, exhale, fold forward, drop your head, nice deep stretch. And then inhale, bone by bone, rise all the way up, bring your arms up just like a firework, and then exhale your hands to your thighs, turn your toes out. So sink down into your hips, just side to side movement. Exhale, drop one shoulder in, doesn't matter which one, look over the other, and then switch. Drop your shoulder in, look over. Come back to center, sink down into your hips, bring your hands to heart center, hold and engage your core a whole lot. Inhale, reach and rise all the way up to stand. Good, exhale your hands to your hips, fold forward again. This time, instead of walking over, you're gonna glue down through your right palm. Inhale, raise your left arm up into the sky, big twist, pressing back through your tailbone, leading with the crown of your head. Exhale, release, switch sides, ground the palm down, reach up high, look up, find your twist. Lower your hands, inhale, fold forward, exhale, breath out. Rise all the way to stand, reach up high. And then again, hands to thighs, sink down into the hips. Bring the other shoulder in first. And then switch. And then come back to center, hands to heart, engage your core, sit a little bit lower for 3, 2, exhale 1. Let's all pivot to the top of our mat, so bring your feet together. Relax your shoulders down by your sides. Inhale, bring your arms up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen, step your left foot back. Nice big breath in, chest forward. Exhale, feet together. Inhale, come all the way to stand again. Exhale again, fold forward, right foot to the back of the mat. Nice long lunge, breathe in. Good, and then when you're ready, squeeze your feet, step together. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale, fold forward, drop your head down. Inhale, bend your knees for chair pose. Raise your arms to the sky. Sink down through your hips and into your tailbone. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, left foot back. Bring the knee down this time. Inhale, your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Look forward and then step forward. Lift halfway, gaze forward. Exhale, fold, and then right foot steps back. Bring your knee down. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Look forward on your breath in, feet together. Exhale, fold. Again, bend your knees for chair, reach your arms up. Come all the way to stand, back bend. And then exhale, fold forward. First time to high plank, top of your push-up, step back. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale through down dog, pull your hips back. Raise your right leg high into the air, gently step your right foot forward. Inhale, come up to crescent lunge, so reach both arms into the sky. Take your time, bring your hands to heart, bend both knees, it's called a double lunge. And then inhale, reach arms up, back leg straight. Double lunge, both arms up, back leg straight. 2 more, 4 for the 4th of July. And then 1 more. Good, inhale, reach and lean back. Exhale, bring your hands down. Send this right leg back up on your inhale, breathe in. Exhale, knee to chest, breathe out. Inhale, bring your right leg up, breathe in. Now step to the outside of your right hand. Exhale, pivot to the inside, and then fold forward. Good, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, land in warrior 2. Right toes turn. Inhale, reverse your warrior, flip your palm. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Hover the toes or bring them together, chaturanga. Inhale up. Exhale back. Inhale, raise your left leg high. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, raise your arms up, lunge. So 4 double lunge on this side. Exhale, hands to heart. Bend the back knee. Inhale, straighten both arms, both legs, reach. Exhale, bend. Inhale. 2 more, bend. Inhale. Bend. Inhale, reach. Nice big breath in. Exhale the hands down. Send your leg up and back. Reach it high. Bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, step to the outside of your foot. Look forward. And now again, pivot over. Wide-legged fold, breath out. Inhale, rise to stand. Exhale, rock yourself into warrior 2, so bending through the front knee. Inhale, flip the front palm. Exhale your hands down. We're gonna hover these left toes or bring the feet together for chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, pull it back. Take your right leg up again. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, lift your leg. Exhale, step forward. Gentle twist from the earth. Left hand down, right arm up, twist. Good, and then exhale, fold over this leg as you straighten it out, drop your head. We're gonna move to half moon, so the right hand's gonna come forward, the hip's gonna roll open, and your left arm is gonna reach straight up to the sky. Exhale to warrior 2 again, so second time you've been here. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Good, exhale, warrior 2. Let's reverse our warrior 1 more time. Inhale, flip your front palm up. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down to the ground, come to high plank, and then 10 mountain climbers. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale through chaturanga, lower. Inhale up, and then exhale back. Let's raise our left leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, step forward. Good. Take your time. Slowly peel the left arm up and twist. Exhale the hand down, and we're going to straighten both legs, fold over the shin, and drop the head. Inhale, bend into your front knee. You're gonna raise your back leg, roll the hip open so it's an external rotation. Top arm rises. Find the strength in your legs here for 3, 2, and then again, we're gonna return to warrior 2. Second time we've been here on this side. Nice strong warrior pose. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, warrior 2, hold. Good, cartwheel the hands down. Exhale to plank, and then 10 mountain climbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower. Inhale, heart comes forward and up. Good, exhale, back to your down dog. So froggy hops if you want. So you're gonna walk forward. Stance is wide, so my heels are down, and I'm gonna exhale, press my chest back. Look forward to my fingers, bend my knees. Knees go to the side, shoulders come forward. Exhale, hop, and land. So you don't actually have to hop, you can just shift. It's completely up to you. Look forward, hop, and land. Breath out. 2 more, 4 here. Hop up, land, and then last one. Sink down, hop up. Good, land. Walk yourself back to down dog, pedal it out. Inhale, let's shift to plank. Side plank on the right forearm, lower it. Scissor your feet so my left foot is in front. Reach up to the sky. Reach overhead for a lateral stretch. Take a big breath here. Exhale, high plank, left hand, left forearm. Scissor the feet, right foot, right arm. 3, 2, right hand, left hand, chaturanga, stay with me. Inhale up, exhale back. Good, froggy hops again if you want, so bring it forward. I'm gonna shorten my stance. My feet are set wide. Bend my knees. Exhale, hop 1, 4 total. 2, 2 more. 3, maybe if you can, stay up in the air for this one. And 4. Good, let's fold forward, hands and feet together, hands on the outsides of those feet, bow down. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, reach up way into the air. Good, exhale, release your hands down by your sides. And then I'll turn and pivot towards you. So you're gonna slowly pull your right knee to your chest, stand tall on your left foot. Take a big inhale, and now twist to your right, looking over the back shoulder. Exhale, we're gonna cross this leg over, pinky toes touch, fold forward. Feel the nice deep stretch in the back of your hamstring, slightly into your IT band. Exhale your head from side to side. Inhale, roll all the way to stand, squeeze your legs in tight, reach up. And then as your hands come to your heart, switch your feet. So we'll inhale, hug our left knee to our chest. Exhale, twist to your left. Look forward, cross your foot over. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, reach and rise, squeeze your legs tight. Pull your hands to your heart and then uncross your feet. Good job. Go ahead and separate your feet nice and wide like we started class in. Exhale when you're ready, fold forward. We're gonna take skandasana, so we're gonna take a deep bend into our right knee. And you're gonna straighten out through your left leg. You can drop down here, lower or higher, and bring your hands to your heart. Good, breathe here for 3. Really breathe into your hips for 2. Exhale to the second side, so go ahead and shift over, sink down, hands to heart. Good. Exhale through center. Bow forward. This time we're gonna take our hands behind our back, stretch the shoulders and bring the arms overhead as we look to the left and to the right. One more time left. One more time right. Good, release the hands down to the mat, lift halfway. Use your core strength, come all the way up, extend your arms up, reach into the air. Good, release. Go ahead and come down to seated. And I want you to cross your ankles and sit up nice and tall. So first time seated today, engage your core, sit up tall. Big breath in. Exhale, let's twist to our right. Take your hand outside of the shoulder and rotate. Inhale, take your time, come forward. Exhale, twist to the left. Good, come back to center. We'll shift towards our back, but first hug your knees into your chest, extend your arms, squeeze the inner legs in, lift your legs if you want more for boat, holding 3, 2, lower down halfway for me, legs long, arms long, and then exhale your head down. Gently and carefully pull your right knee to your chest as you press your opposite leg forward, find space in your hips. Exhale, lower, and then switch sides. Left knee to chest, right leg is long, hug it in. And then inhale, both arms overhead, flip the hands, stretch and reach through the toes. Good, exhale the hands next to you, bend your knees and plant your feet. Bridge your hips up into the sky, head is down, engage your legs, hold 3, hold 2, exhale, lower, let's do one more of those. So you can take it further if you want, hands by your ears, otherwise hands stay where mine are. Bring the hips up. You can always support the low back, putting the hands under it, kind of holding it here for 3, 2, exhale, down for 1. Place your hands on your legs, find some length in the hips, press them away. Give your knees a big squeeze as you hug them in, find a nice little curl up the spine here. Good. And then rock yourself up to seated. So we'll take a seated forward fold or two before we move to the end of class. Raise your arms up high. Exhale, fold forward, arms are long, bring the chest forward. Lengthen up the spine halfway. Exhale, fold in again. Inhale, lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. And then on your exhale, bring your hands behind you. Try to press into your mat, push yourself forward, and then flip your hands to rest behind you. 3, 2, and 1. Take your time, roll up the spine very slowly. Place your hands behind you, turn the fingertips around, press into the feet, inhale, bridge up, exhale, stay, or one leg can go out and then the other, and then both hips can go up. Drop the head out as the legs straighten. Exhale, chin tucks, lower your head, and then gently cross the ankles and rotate towards me if you want. So as we move to close our practice here in seated, I want you to remember kind of how we started in that star-like stance. So again, that idea of wide legs to open the hips to start early and the hamstrings. And I want to close here in seated. Sometimes with a fast practice, it's important to make sure that we have that opportunity to sit together and be quiet. So let's go ahead and flip the palms, face up on our knees, and shut our eyes. Find an opportunity here for the mind, the breath, and the body to be quiet. And maybe let your head fall to one side. Let it roll through center, and then fall to the other side. Reverse the roll back to center. And then exhale back through the middle, hold your head up high. Interlock your fingers, inhale, press all the way up. Exhale, chin to chest, pull the arms back, pull the ribs in, engage the tight belly. Exhale, close your eyes as your hands land at your heart. Thank yourself for this quick practice, moving through a few poses to warm you up and find your breath. Hopefully elevating your heart rate. Again, one of these great practices to pair with a run, a bike, or another workout since it's so short. Or maybe it's your off day and you just want to get moving. Enjoy your 4th of July. Please bow forward. Namaste. Thanks, everyone.